in Osama City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Good afternoon, everyone. Maayong hapon ka natin tanan. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, TV creators, talented participants, distinguished guests and visitors all over Region 10, welcome to the 2024 Artful Regional Festival of Talents closing ceremony.
Over the past 2 days, we have witnessed incredible displays of skill, creativity, and passion across various disciplines from our young talents all over Northern Mindanao.
Exactly, partner. And I'm sure that all of us right here in this gymnasium right now will going to miss the moments we have here. And partner, before we will formally begin this celebration, this closing ceremony, let's have first a temperature check to all our participants. Kung naapa ba sila, partner? Alright, shall we hear a loud applause and shout from Division of Bukidnon? Alright, taas ka sa likod, partner.
What about from the Division of Cagayan de Oro City?
I'm so excited also to hear you, Division of Camiguin.
What about from the Division of El Salvador City?
For sure, partner, hindi po palubing ang ato from Division of Higmoog City.
Kaway-kaway, friends from the Division of Iligan City. What about our friends from the Division of Lanao del Norte?
Of course, we want to hear you, Division of Malay City.
Ayan. So, what about from the host division, our very own Misamis Occidental?
Manunglas at Misa Yuntigo from Division of Misamis Oriental.
What about from our neighboring division, from the Division of Oro Quezon?
We also have here from Division of Osama City.
Of course, our very own also, Atuang Silingan, from the Division of Tamog City.
Alright, we also have here Padunglas at Misa Yunusong the Shagit of Tigog, Division of Valencia City.
Ayan, alive and very excited to witness who will be our winners for this year's RFOT Regional Festival of Talents.
Alright, partner, let's also acknowledge our guests from the regional office. Mga maman, sir, sa atong regional office, na sila din ha? Sa tuwagan.
From Region 10, Regional Office headed by our very own RD, Regional Director Arturo B. Bayucot. Hi, ma'am and sir.
Alright, today, partner, join us as we honor the participants, acknowledge our dedicated educators, and relive the memories, moments that have made this festival a resounding success.
So to begin with, let us welcome with a resounding applause the visionary leader and of course the father of the host division or Deped Misamis Occidental. Ladies and gentlemen, to give his message, our school's division Institution Superintendent Dr. Rinaldo E. Manuel Jr.
Salamat. Mayong hapon kanatong tanan. According to Leo Buscaglia, our talents are the gift that God gives us. What we make of our talents is our gift back to God. My greetings to all who have gathered here, to our talented participants, representatives, SDSS, ASDSS, and the staff from the different divisions in Region 10. To our Regional Director, Dr. Arturo B. Bayocon, represented by ARD Dr. Federico P. Martin. Thank you for staying with us from the opening to the closing program of this Festival of Talents. We are truly pleased to have with us this afternoon all the representatives, all the delegates from the different divisions in Region 10. Our boarding governor extends his greetings to everyone. In fact, our governor has allocated cash prizes which will be awarded later by the provincial treasurer representative. They were asking kung nana ba yung result na to. Hopefully, si Sir Benz, igulimot no, and the staff maka-provide na. Karon, also my due respect to the LCO of Tudela, Mayor Samuel Parojito, for his 101 support to the hosting of the Regional Festival of Talents. The strong partnership between provincial officials and the DepEd is the cornerstone of this occasion's triumph. Your full support uplifts and fuels hope for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the culminating event of the Regional Festival of Talents 2024. An afternoon packed with excitement and aspirations, with a team galing talino at husay ng mga batang makabansa sa diwa ng matatag na adhika. In a short while, winners will be officially applauded and participants will be commended. Whatever fate you guys have in store, hinumduman nato kanunay, mga bata, nga ang message ni BP Sara during the opening program nga duha daw ka klase ang tao nga naadili karon na aning festival. Ang nidaog ug ang nakat-on. Whether you stand on stage as a seasoned performer or someone who did not make it to the top, know that your presence and your participation are an inspiration to all. Reflect on the wise words of Ralph Waldo Emerson. He said, every artist was first an amateur. It takes more practice to reach your goal, if not now. This festival isn't just about putting talent on display. It's about celebrating who we are as a community. A cheerful gathering that values various talents and skills, making our region truly special. By investing in programs that foster arts education, we're ensuring that the enthusiasm for creativity stays alive and thriving for the generations ahead. Together, let's keep lifting each other up, offering support and encouragement. Events like this reminds us of the unique gifts that reside within us, whether through music, dance, art, or any other form of expression. The talents displayed in this regional festival speak volumes about the stunning gifts each learner possesses. This holds that multiple intelligences are real. I would like to commend you all who have contributed to making this event possible. Kita tanan actually part sa success ani nga event. And blessed po kaayo ta kay nakauban nato ang Vice President sa atong nasod and DepEd Secretary Sara Duterte during the opening program. Her commitment to education serves as an inspiration to the department. To the devoted coaches, you have served as pillars of support to our talented participants, a driving force behind their notable performances and a guiding light on this journey of artistic exploration. You are instrumental in helping them realize their dreams. To the organizers, volunteers, school heads, division personnel, and the different technical working committees of the Division of Misamis Occidental, I know that you have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the smooth and successful execution of this festival. This testifies the words of Helen Keller saying, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much." Salamat sa makanunayong pagkinabangay. Kabalo ko ang igapoy mo, pero dasig ra gihapon. Yapil na gani panawagan sa atong singing ASDS, Lorena nga ang mga working committees mag-double dose sa vitamins aron dili maluya. It is because of your efforts, guys, that this event has been such a success. Despite some hitches, we are able to surpass our challenges. Good job to everyone. Patpakan nato ang Misamis Occidental na staff. To the talented participants, I say this: you are the heart and soul of this festival. May you carry forward the spirit of this festival with the words of Albert Einstein, "Creativity is contagious. Pass it on." May you continue to inspire others to unlock their full potential and reach for the stars. Congratulations to all of you, and may your talents continue to shine brightly. Reveal your unique gifts to the world. Inspire others with your talents and ignite a spark of creativity that can illuminate the path to a brighter future. In every message of gratitude that I delivered, kanunay dyan ako giapil ang pasalamat sa atong mga dedicated safety personnel na nag-secure nato, sa atong mga kapulisan, barangay tanod, who have been there every step of the way, ensuring everyone's safety and well-being. To continue, nahatagan ng peace of mind ang mga delegates sa ilang pagpakatulong in every balloting quarters. Thanks to your hard work, ako sa i-mention ang atong Division Vocal Person sa Safety, special mention, Mr. Joseph Bonyaw, also known as the Cesar Montano lookalike of Miss Oak, kay wala ni tulong. Na-coordinate pa rin sa PSD, sugat pag-abot, hangtod karon na asa diri. Pwede na ito siya papakan. Akong gihangiyong tanan, salamat, salamat. To our dearest delegates from the different divisions in Region 10, hope you had a great stay here in Misamis Occidental. And also to the regional staff, na adil karon, dili na ako sa tagsaon. Salamat po kayo. Ay kung wala mo, dili successful na event. Thank you for bearing with us. If there were uncontrollable lapses along the way sa Iloami, together, let's make this festival of talents and inspiration to reach new heights for years to come. May this festival be just the beginning of a continuous voyage of discovery and escalation. Mabuhay ang galing-talino at husay ng mga batang makabansa sa diwa ng matatak na adikain. Mabuhay ang Region 10, mabuhay sa Regional Director Arturo Bayokot, mabuhay sa ERD Martin, mabuhay si Governor Waminal. Salamat at may habang ganyo tanan.
Once again, friends, our STS, Dr. Rinaldo E. Manuel Jr.
This time, ladies and gentlemen, the talented Miss Amiston will showcase her craft in spoken poetry, highlighting, of course, our 2024 Regional Festival of Talents. And she is a student from Sibugon Integrated School. Let's give it up for Shine Paula Gomez. A round of applause, please.
kanya-kanyang talento. Tagisan ng galing at kakayahan, ito ang ipinamalas ng ating mga kabataan. Regional Festival of Talents, noong isang araw sinimulan, at ngayon magtatapos, mga nanalo'y pakikinggan. Nabubuksan ang puso at isipan at nabibigyang paraan upang iba'y makilala hindi lang sa taglay ng isipan, kundi rin sa taglay ng ating kakayahan. Isang malaking karangalan na mabigyan ng isang patimpalakang nagbibigay atensyon at pagpapabuti sa kumpiyansa ng sarili. Lipo ng salita'y hindi mawari, sa mga pagmumukhay hindi mawari. Bawat isa'y sabik at galak na maitahi, mga talento ng bawat grupo ay natatani. Ating tandaan na sa bawat kompetisyon, lahat ay hindi mananalo sa panahon. Mga kriteria sa pagtasa ng maghapon, lugod na tanggapin sa damdamin ay naaayon. Maraming salamat po sa pagkakataon. Tatak Sibugon Integrated School na bigyan ng rason. Ako'y lugod na sa pagkakataon, bating pangwakas, ako nakatuon. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Shine Paula Gomez, for that presentation. This time, isa po sa itong talented na leaders in the division of Misamis Occidental will showcase her talent. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Assistant Schools Division Superintendent of Division of Misamis Occidental. Let's put our hands together to ESDS, Ma'am Lorena P. Serrano. Together with the 5 members band.
Thank you so much. Although they are not present with us at this time, I would like to still greet our Honorable Governor Henry Wabinal and the provincial school board members, including of course our beloved regional director who is with us, not physically, yes, but in the spirit. And of course, the other LGU officials who have been with us during the opening. I would like to greet also the SDS of this division, SDS Ray, and all the SDS who are here with us. Can you stand up, please? Can you please stand? Ilan pa yung naiiwan dito ng mga SDSs? Yeah, dalawa. Nandun sa iba, no? And the ASDSs. Thank you so much for staying with us up to this moment for the sake of our kids. Their chiefs, no? As well as the supervisors, and of course our regional office personnel, the ROP personnel. We have Ma'am Emperor here, Ma'am Perry, who is with us. All those who were meted by SDS a while ago. And then in general, let me say, the participants as well as the working or technical officials. Great, blessed, and happy afternoon. Mayong hapon ka na itong tanan. The first question that I would like to ask is, why do we need to conduct the Regional Festival of Talents? Why? And then, why do we need to ask why? If we try to read the philosophies of wise men, Aristotle said, excellence is always a result of high intention, sincere efforts, and intelligent execution. The first that he mentioned was intention. High intentions. So what is the intent of the Regional Festival of Talents? Why do we need to spend resources, use a lot of resources, sacrifice our time with this kind of activity? What's the answer? The first thing that we remember is it connected with the vision of the Department of Education? It is. No? It's also connected with the mission of the department as well as the core values. And I would like to support the statement of our regional director during the opening program that this activity and all the co-curricular as well as extracurricular activities are laboratories of life. You cannot just confine yourselves inside the classroom, imprisoned by the four corners of the space you are staying. You have to go out. And then we, as the supporters of our learners, must come together to fulfill the vision that our department has, which is also actually, I always will not forget to say this. The vision of our department is also a vision in terms of the universal realm. And when we say universal realm, we speak of the heavenly realm. And that's the vision also of our Creator. To develop our learners, not only in terms of knowledge, but in terms of application. Bruce Lee said, knowing is not enough, you have to do it, no? Knowing is not enough. You have to do it. So it supports again the statement that there must be an excellent or intelligent execution. What will happen if we'll just be having that knowledge? Although we say that knowledge is power, that knowledge remains as power, but passive. I say passive because it is not working. So in order to have that power working, we need to apply. And witnessing all those presentations that we have seen, that have been shown, we can see the resiliency, the flexibility, the agility of the body parts of our learners. You can see how long they can stitch the harmony, which we cannot easily do. No? But one thing that we have also to consider is to connect the resiliency of our hands, the agility of our hands, feet, or the whole body with our mind. One of the problems that we are facing now is the strength of the mind, because in region 10, in our region, one of the problems that has been discussed in the Regional Development Council is the problem of the strength of our mind, especially the youth. So, we are number 2 in terms of trying to measure the strength of our mind. Therefore, we hope that as you will be receiving your awards later, whether it is first, second, or third, you will know how to handle them. Or you will not receive awards, you will still know how to handle. That's the resiliency of mind connecting with the resiliency, the flexibility of your body as well as the parts. That's one essence of this activity. So it's a laboratory of life, not only academics, but more importantly, the development of the strength of mind, body, and even your heart, your emotions, so that you can face challenges in the future. That is actually the ultimate intention, the goal of this ARFO. It does not end in terms of performance, but the ultimate essence is really the application to face challenges, counter the problems that you might be encountering later on in your life at the right time, at the right moment. So I hope you will be able to grasp that. You may not truly and thoroughly understand what I'm saying now, but at the right time I know that you will be able to apply these things as you hear the messages that have been delivered to you, as well as the things that I'm trying to point out and reiterate. The next part of our program actually that is assigned to our regional director is acknowledgement. Acknowledgement, and of course, we have to remember also the statement, the quotation, the maxim, the watchword that not expressing your gratitude is like receiving a gift but not opening it. Not expressing the gratitude is like receiving a gift but not opening the gift. Therefore, as part of the acknowledgement, integrating the message that I just said, we would like to acknowledge, of course, once again, our Honorable Governor, Henry S. Wamina, the provincial board members headed by Vice Governor Wayne Gutierrez, the mayors and local government units of the 14 municipalities and 3 cities of the province of Misamis Occidental, the host division of Misamis Occidental led by SDS Rinaldo Manuel, and ASDS Lorena P. Serrano. We have to make special mention to the municipalities of Codela and Aloran. The 14 superintendents spearheading the delegations. The participants parents, coaches, supervisors, technical working groups, the security personnel, especially those coming from the Vice President Office, the PSG, the police officers, Philippine Army, Coast Guard, the social media, and other stakeholders. I would like to make a special mention to the host team. SDS kindly relay to our Honorable Governor and the LGU officials that
One TV special report.